Hey everyone, it's Spencer Childers with Keller Williams Realty. I'm joined today with Jason Everette at Ruoff Home Mortgage. Jason, questions we're getting a lot right now is we know that they've had some changes to the mortgage industry as far as credit requirements. Can you tell us a little bit
Yes.
about that and how that might be in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. So again, in the previous, 2 to 3 weeks, we've seen a lot of changes in the mortgage industry, as have a lot of people here in the U.S. with regard to what's going on and what we're seeing. So the question I'm getting a lot now are, where does my credit score need to be? What are you looking for in a credit score? So typically those guidelines are, around the 600 mark, 620, somewhere in that neighborhood would qualify you for at least a loan program or two. And what we've seen some of these guidelines be tightened to in the last couple of weeks is 640 is a hard minimum for some of these government loans. FHA, VA specifically, they're looking for a 640 or higher.
Okay.
And we also saw USDA change its restriction to a 660 minimum, which typically between a 620 and 640 qualifies you for a USDA loan. So the discussion I'm having with people right now is not to get too discouraged if you don't meet that criteria at this point. Because what we're hearing is that a lot of these changes and a lot of these tightening of the guidelines and requirements are allegedly temporary. So that's kind of what we're hoping for. And then once this thing is behind us, we'll go back to hopefully some of those old guidelines again. So those are a lot of the questions that I'm kind of fielding at this point. So I figured that would be good for a lot of people who are shopping for a home to know.
Awesome. Yeah, I appreciate that. That's not information that I knew of either.
Yeah,
So I appreciate that.
absolutely.
Where can people get in touch with you at?
You visit me in a couple different spots. Easiest way to get a hold of me, still myself, 765-404-3313. Or you're welcome to visit my website, and we'll post a link to that in the video as well.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Jason. And if you guys are looking to buy a home, check out our new Keller Williams app. I'll make sure to post a link for that in the comments section. So thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Jason.
you too. Take care. Bye-bye.